some new headlights for the car. Got those, so we're going to end up, pulling the bumper off and everything. So we'll get those put together and install them and check it out. So let's get to it. All right, let's get these things unboxed.
Yeah.
You'll help? Pull. I have already opened these up to make sure they weren't broken and they were the correct headlights. And the reason being is because this is my second time getting these, because the first time I opened them and checked them, make sure they weren't broken, because you kind of see that open box off of the American Muscle website about them being broken and all that, or scratched. But open them up, and one of the headlights was smoked out, and then the other headlight had a clear lens. I don't understand how that got mixed up, because if you ever buy anything from American Muscle, or these from American Muscle, as you can see, each headlight's in a box, sealed up. Inside this box, sealed up. Inside another box, sealed up. So they got messed up all the way from the beginning. I mean, for it to have messed up, when they installed into the box. But now we have identical headlights. So we're going, like I said, get the bumper pulled off the Mustang and try to get these installed. Hopefully they'll look pretty neat. They got the halos around them like that, just like I've got the fog lights, so they should look pretty good, and hopefully they'll still work good, because I don't know if y'all saw from previous videos, but I had the original headlights. We sprayed them, smoked them out, and you could not see at all going down the road at night. So hopefully this will help with that issue. First thing, I gotta get all these little clips out to get this cover off. So we'll get all these pulled. These are 7mm. Now we got to get underneath it and disconnect some.
Get it out. Broke it.
Yeah. Let's get these out. There we go. Don't hit it with that, bud. Oh, kids. You gotta love them. She has been defaced. Let's get these old girls unbolted. Put down the weapon. Put your hands up. You're under arrest. No! Hands up. Under arrest.
Hands up.
Alright, you get those 3 bolts out. There's 2 on the bottom, and then one on the top in that pin. Unplug that.
Like that.
And that one. And there you are. Factory headlights. You can see the remnants of where we'd smoked it out. And then we just buffed all this, so. Yep.
Like so. Like so.
Compare it to that. You can see it's almost the same setup, just smoked out. So, with the halos, these don't have halos. When you're installing these new headlights, you got to take out this from the factory on it. It looks like it's going to be a T20.
Get this cover off.
There we go. Oh, that's just a protector. And we got to take all this off. Right here. Getting into something I don't really know a whole lot about, but I was reading these instructions, and the one that this diagram shows, it's got like a bracket that kind of holds the light in. Well, obviously mine does not have this little tab bracket over this, but you can see these 2 black tabs right here. You turn them counterclockwise, If you got the headlight sitting upright, it's counterclockwise, and it should just pull straight out at that point. And that it did. Let's see here. Let's take this one out. This one's got the tab, where you got to remove the screw and all that. Alright, I've already done the other one on the driver's side, so now I'm going to do this one. The directions don't exactly break it down very well for you as far as installing all the hardware into the new headlight, so I'm going to kind of do it on this one. This one actually has the tab that I was talking about earlier, about having to take it out or not take it out. So this one you have to take out. Alright, work this plug back over there. Comes out on that end. Just drive this straight in like that. So the big issue I was running into is, see how all this, the sealant they've got crammed in here, it keeps hitting the bulb, so I can't get it in there. One thing I could find is, because this is still kind of soft, which it's 30 something degrees here, so it's harder than normal. If you did it in the summertime, it'd be easier to move this stuff, but I just kind of push down and work it over here, because like I said, when you go in, this is hitting here and it won't close, so you've got to get this worked out of your way to get this to close back up. Now these you'll splice in to your running lights, and it's the 3 little bulbs right here that will power. Alright, now that you got that installed and this put in the correct way, you gotta go over there and install this with these 2 clips they provide. Get this lifted back up out of the way with the new struts.
Hold this.
Really good deal there.
Hold this.
You hold this there.
Right here.
You wire them to the purple so that the halos on here will stay on all the time, and then obviously the black to the black. The halo should be on. And now the headlight should be on. So let's see what we got. Halos. You can see the halos and the 3 little bulbs. Awesome.
Awesome.
Do some flashers. Make sure we got flashers.
Wire on.
Yeah. So as you can see, that's how I wired mine up. If it's not blinding you. Where this light does not stay on at all times. So this is what it looks like without the amber light on, and this is like my running lights. This is how my car looks. Obviously I got those smoked out, but still the amber shows through, but that's what it looks like, if you cut the amber bulb wire feed. Now it still works with my turning signal, because I did leave the actual light that feeds it for the signal.